Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. It's another of my Zippo series. And this week I've got the Statue of Liberty. As I'll show you. On the silver, the green. Zippo mark down there, obviously. And that there. A classic looking lighter going on my shelves in a minute once I've done this video. Green on silver design, and as per normal I've got a book. The 21st of this series of 80. It's 1981, the decade in American history to remember. It began with the presidential election, went on to include Olympiad at Los Angeles and Zippo's 50th birthday. Jimmy Carter got voted out, Ronald Reagan came in, mainly due to the economic woes of the country and also the American hostages at the time in Iran. Those images there are light-hearted Zippo animals, the Democrats being the donkey and the Republicans elephant, which is those two there. Zippo has always been proud of its American roots, and films about space were popular in 77 with Star Wars and 79 in Star Trek, and in 1981 they did a space age advert saying light years ahead. They then emphasised how it's a homemade lighter, as in made in America, with a bit of apple pie, and saying homemade. And going for gold in 1984, they created more lighters, signifying the importance of the Olympic Games in Los Angeles that year, which the Russians boycotted, if my memory serves me correctly. And that's just space age lighter up there. Advert. Going for gold. Your bit of apple pie. And the top one is seals, in this case US. Okay. 1886, the Statue of Liberty opened, and this is lighter was introduced in the range in 1999, number 205. And once again, I'll show you the lighter. An icon of New York. Now it goes on a bit boringly, but Zippo collaborations, world-class artists are well known. Pop art notable Burton Morris appeared, pocket-sized canvas of Zippo lighter, brimming with energy. And there's some cool lighters, but the actual article's a bit sending me to sleep, so you have to subscribe to the thing if you want me to read more about it. Next up, the complete package. Zippo lighters are distinctive from their performance, reliability and effortless style, but packaging has also been noteworthy. In the early days, in the 30s and 40s, there were several changes as it began gaining popularity. Lighter cutout was covered with matte black paper, later switched to glossy style, which continued from 33 to 36. The outer packages have undergone transformation. which features designs similar from the 2000s, which looked like an outline of building a week's trial, then all the while. During the war, collapsible cardboard boxes were used as a simple design, and a red box was decorated with blue lettering, and the red and blue boxes were used until 1951. And there's some examples of the box over there, and the packaging in the 30s and 40s over there. Pictures from the book as per normal at the end. In 1981, the hostages came home from Iran, and Bob Marley died of cancer, aged 36. My next lighter is a comic strip, which is in a couple weeks' time. Once again, nice looking lighter there. And give this video a thumbs up, and stay lit guys, and thank you for watching.